Hello everybody. So this big mulch stuff was right here, right? So it had made the soil pretty damp, and there was a bunch of little worms and grubs. Oh, you see one right there. But look at the worm tunnels. That's their little pathway. The worm tunnels. That's a grub tunnel. Goes in there. Shall we look in there? Okay, I feel bad for disturbing them, but you see there's worms. You can see the little tunnel still on the soil. Or maybe I shouldn't have done that. But we'll relocate these into the soil over here so they could help my plants out.